If you want to make this Cartoonist trending image and also swap the face of any image, then this video is for you. So first of all, Staler.ai. Click New Project. We will import image. Select your image. Click on Auto Prompt. Now choose the style. I will choose Dreamy 3D. Now click Stylerize. It will take few seconds to generate image. Select any image that you want to download and click Place on Canvas. Now export the image. Now your selected image will be downloaded. Now let's move to Face Swap website. Go to Remaker.ai. Now select your downloaded image. And in the other box, select the face that you want to swap. And click Swap. Wait for it. Now face is successfully swapped. Now click on Download button. Now you can see before and after of image. Thanks for watching.